B.N. Patel Institute of Paramedical and Science, the Paramedical Division, was established in year 2010 for reinventing healthcare education and to render career opportunities in allied health. Our institute provides various clinical and academic facilities. We award career opportunities in allied health for bachelor degrees, PG diploma, master degrees, and one-year paramedical courses. Our institute provides the finest paramedical education in India, and hereby we help students to spread their wings and strengthen their theoretical as well as practical knowledge in respective fields of specialization offered by our institute. We have the students from India and across the globe. The institute, within this short span, has achieved a mark in the field of paramedics by quality education, research center, inclination among the staff and students, and thus serving the society with value education, global understanding, good citizenship, cooperation, and service. In the recent past, the institution has undertaken the medical checkup camp for policemen, students, senior citizens of Anand district. Looking towards vision of Government of Gujarat, we are actively concerned in undertaking women health programs where we conduct free mammography camps, pap smear test, depression anemia counseling, physiotherapy camps, and diabetes awareness programs. We provide an exposure to the students for taking them to the conferences, make them give presentations, workshops at various disciplines like BLS and ACLS training, seminars, etiquettes towards the ethic of research programs.
Clinical facilities offered at the institute are Kidney Dialysis Center, Digital X-ray and Mammography Center, Medical Pathology Lab, Electrocardiogram, Physiotherapy Center, Dental Clinic and Lab, and Medical OPD.
Courses offered at the institute: BSc in Medical Technology affiliated to Sardar Patel University, Vallabh Vidyanagar, with the following specialization: BSc in Renal Dialysis Technology, BSc in Imaging Technology, BSc in Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology, BSc in Clinical Lab Technology, BSc in Radiotherapy Technology. BSc Physician Assistant affiliated to Sardar Patel University, the Vallabh Vidyanagar. MSc in Medical Technology affiliated to Sardar Patel University, Vallabh Vidyanagar. MSc in Imaging Technology, MSc in Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology, MSc in Clinical Lab Technology, MSc in Renal Dialysis Technology. The post-graduation diploma courses affiliated to Sardar Patel University, the Vallabh Vidyanagar: PG Diploma in Hospital Management, PG Diploma in Medical Lab Technology, PG Diploma in Dialysis Technology.
We have a technical collaboration done with the following hospitals: Gujarat Kidney Foundation, Ahmedabad, InFocus Diagnostic, Ahmedabad, Zydus Hospital, Anand and Ahmedabad, Sal Hospital, Ahmedabad, Samved Hospital, Ahmedabad, Sunshine Global Hospital, Baroda, Bharuch and Surat, Anand Orthopedic Hospital and ICU, Shraddha Hospital, Fresenius, Germany, Adani Hospital, and Narayana Hospital.
Moving on to the career prospects, students can pick up career in the following disciplines: government, trust and private hospitals, healthcare organizations, corporation and medical equipment, diagnostic companies and centers service, research centers and institute, academics, healthcare related industries, administrative services in diagnostic and therapeutic centers, government healthcare projects.